Hello everyone. I wanted to come on real quick and show you how to upload your book talk to your book blog. It's pretty simple, and so I hope this little video will help you. I hope everyone is doing okay with all of your courses transitioning to online, and I hope you're staying safe, whether you are still on campus or if you've gone home. I obviously am at home. So just excuse the at-home look or the homeless look, whichever you prefer. Also, Ellie may bark while this is going on, but she's kind of snoozing right now, so maybe she'll stay quiet. All right, so what you want to do is you want to record yourself doing your video. You can do that with your computer, your laptop, your phone, however you want to record yourself. About a 3-minute video is good. Use that planning form to help guide your talk. You're like, I don't know what to say. Just use that planning form and you'll be good to go, I promise. No one's going to see this video but me, so hopefully that will relax you just a little bit. So once you have your video recorded, the easiest thing to do is upload it to YouTube. You do have that option with Gmail. If you'll click on your face in your Gmail account, or I'm sorry, if you click on these little dots over here, if you scroll, well, mine's right there because I use it pretty often, but if it's not right up there, you can scroll down. You see Blogger, where we've been using Blogger, but you can scroll down and you can find YouTube. But anyways, I already have my YouTube pulled up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to share, let me back up a little bit. I have some videos that I've already posted up on my YouTube channel. I have more, but I really should kind of put those all in one place. Okay, so what you'll do is once your video has uploaded to YouTube, you are going to click on it. And I'm going to pause it so there's not two of me talking at one time. That's like probably your worst nightmare. Alright, so the share button, you're going to click share, you're going to copy the link, and then go back to Blogger. Okay? Then you are going to click on new post, just like if you are writing a new book blog. Click on new post. Okay? Then you can title your post. You can either use the name of your book, or if you want to do something creative, so just whatever, or if you just want to write book talk, whatever. I'm going to say mine is Jack and the Beanstalk book talk. Jack and the Beanstalk book talk. Yeah, that does rhyme. Okay. Then you want to hit or click this link right here that says link. In the web address, you want to paste your YouTube address. Up here, text to display, you can leave that if you want to, or you can back it up and put whatever you want. I'm just going to put book talk. And then you click OK. And it's going to automatically link your book talk. Okay? When you are done, make sure you click publish. And then you can see that it is all right here for me. You can view it if you want to. And that's what it's going to look like. All right. So when I go to look at it, it's going to look like this. You can see all the things that I've already done with my book blog previously. And so when I go and click on your book talk link, and go back up, it will take me straight to your video like that.
Hey everybody.
Hey. Okay, I'm going to stop that. Okay. It's, oh, that's a crazy face. We need to get off that. Okay, so that's how you do it. If you have any question, please just email me. You can call my office number. I have my voicemail set up to come straight to my email, so I will get it as soon as you leave a voicemail and hang up. But other than that, that's it. So I'm sorry for bombarding you with all the announcements, but I just want to keep y'all up to date on everything. And I think that's about it. So I will see y'all later. Bye.